In this video, I'll show you how to download a file using the Google Drive node in N8n. This is a quick and useful workflow step if you want to pull a file from Google Drive and use it in the rest of your automation. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8n tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This can be an existing workflow you're editing or a new one you've created for testing. Once you're inside the workflow canvas, go to the Nodes panel and search for Google Drive. Select the Google Drive node from the list to add it to your workflow. After the node is added, open its settings and choose Download File as the operation. This tells N8n that you want to retrieve a file from Google Drive instead of listing, uploading, or updating anything else. Next, configure what to copy. Depending on your setup, this usually means selecting the file you want to download by using the file ID, URL, or another input coming from a previous node. Make sure the correct file source is mapped so the node knows exactly which file to fetch. Once the file selection is configured, review the node settings one more time to make sure the operation is set to download and the right file is being targeted. Then save the node and run the workflow to confirm everything works correctly. If the configuration is right, N8n will download the file from Google Drive and pass it into the workflow for the next step. And that's it. You've now set up the Google Drive node to download a file in N8n. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more N8n automation tutorials.